Hi, welcome back to another video of the Talk Individual program, the Talk Individual Experience. So when I got in the house, I had something to eat, and my headache was coming back, so I took medication and didn't quite stop it. I eventually lay down and fell asleep. Then I just woke up not too long ago to helicopters and police sirens again. Remote monitoring. Even now, my head still hurts. They've still been using the also monitoring me. So I woke up, didn't get out of bed, still had my eyes closed, didn't open my eyes. Then when I heard the police sirens, I said, okay, let me just lay here and see what happens. They continue. I was moving my hand on my bed, and they continue to use the police sirens again. Okay, actively surveilling me within the home using remote neural monitoring to um, monitor my brainwave activity and stuff like that. What else? So yes, I was uploading a video when I got in the house. As soon as I got up, I just started uploading the rest of it because again I fell asleep because the headaches, were just it was a lot, and even though I took my medication, it was still a lot. Still kept happening because of what transpired out in the public with the remote neural monitoring, the street theater, the microwaving, the silent sound, you know. So, that's it. Right now, it is, what is it, after 12 o'clock a.m. My head still hurts. I'm going to try to go back to sleep. I forgot to take my sleeping medication, so I'm going to take that and go back to sleep. Anyhow, I will talk to you guys in the next video.